What's up YouTube, it's Adam from I'm a Music Mogul, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a hip-hop rap synth done in Logic Pro's ES2 synth. It's that hoover, thick sounding synth you usually hear in rap and hip-hop music, and a lot of times in pop music as well. So with that said, let's get straight to the tutorial. Here I got my drum loop right here, and I already pre-recorded a MIDI region for you as well, so the tutorial moves along a lot quicker. So create your first software instrument track. In this case, I have mine right here, and let's bring in the ES2 synth. All right, so we got that right there. First thing we're going to do is bring in a preset, but it's not the type of preset that you may think. The preset is just initializer of the preset. So sorry, we're going to go to tutorial settings and analog saw initialize. Next thing we're going to do is change this to mono, and we're going to change the voices to 12. And because we changed the voices to 12, we're going to turn on unison, and you're going to hear the sound get a whole lot thicker. It's all about the unison and this analog knob here, and you'll see why in a moment. All right, so now to get that thick hoover sounding synth, it's all about detuning between the two synths. And right now we only have one waveform going, so we're going to go ahead and open up another one. And we are going to leave it at that. Yeah, that's fine. And we're going to just mix the two together around here. We may adjust that later. And we're going to slide this down all the way to -12 on our second waveform right there. All right, so that's good. Next thing we're going to do is going to go over to this analog section right here, and we're going to pull it up, and you're going to hear the detuning happening in the synth. And bring that up. Now that hoover sound is going to come out. Also, what I like to do is just add a little bit of distortion right here, or you can add drive, but I'll just go pull up a little distortion. Just to make it a little bit more grimier. And then you can mix the two here. All right, so that's pretty much your bare bones hoover synth done for rap and hip hop music and popular music as well. Again, go ahead and play with the distortion, the analog here, and kind of you can play around with the different sort of waveforms right here. And see what you get. Also, you can also play around with the tone right here. So if you want to have a darker sounding song, kind of makes it a darker tone, and for whatever bright tone, you just pull it up to bright. So as you can see, it's very quick to create a cool, thick sounding synth in Logic Pro. Go ahead and try this out in your future rap and hip hop productions, pop productions as well. If you have any questions on this, ask me in the comment section below. For more great videos, remember to subscribe as they're always coming, and I'll see you boys and girls in the next video. Talk to you boys and girls later. Peace.